Here we come. Dun, 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 dun. Are we taking the whole car seat in?
Yeah, it might be easier. It's so easy to attach and lock back in instead of buckling her in.
Oh, we're trying to take her in and out.
Gigi Papa, Gigi Papa, they're gonna fill you too with wine. Gigi Papa.
Why don't you have a little glass? Okay.
Gigi Papa. My first alcohol.
You can just have a half a glass. Make it like a spitzer or whatever you call them.
It'll be my first alcohol.
She seems okay right now.
Oh, okay. All right. Is that your plan? Which way do you want us to go?
Just right there with the dog.
Gigi Papa. Hello, aren't we forgetting something?
Yeah, just leave her right there for now.
Why?
Because he wants to get the dogs.
Gigi Papa.
I figured if they saw us, they would chill out and then we would
Oh, really? We put them out in the back hall. I mean, out the back.
Go get the baby.
Okay.
Go get the baby. Hello. I thought we were bringing the baby in, so I wanted to document.
Leave the baby in the car. Drive away.
Wait, I have to show you. The cook. Here's the chef.
The cook, yeah, he just finished his last
Here's
minute.
the lady.
I'm the sous chef. I kept going, am I a good sous? Am I a good sous? Yes,
I'm wearing pads. It's okay.
Hi. Nice to see you.
Very good to see you. And
she's in this.
Yeah. She's
Okay.
upgraded.
Oh, hi.
Nice.
Hi, bud.
How you doing, Dad?
Good.
See you.